Today in this video I am going to share with you a fruit face serum. This miracle ingredient that can clear out the scars and uneven pigmentation on the skin. It removes the dead cells, which can make the face lighter in tone and more supple. It enhances the skin glow and complexion. Ingredients: fresh papaya, cucumber, carrot, wash cucumber and carrot, then grate. Put all these ingredients in a mixer grinder and grind it well. Strain this mixture using a strainer or a cloth. Aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Mix well. Almond oil. Add 1 teaspoon almond oil. Mix well. Honey. Add 1 teaspoon honey. Mix. Serum is ready. Now let's see how to use it. Transfer the serum to jar or container. First cleanse your face and apply the serum. Massage well until it absorbs to the skin. Keep it for overnight and wash off in the morning. Use this serum daily for a better result within days.